Okay, we have a SaaS website, which I'm not sure if it's like a platform or not. So not sure why these are separated. Pretty sure they didn't do these custom, and it's open source, which they don't mention. And that would be nice just in case they added more. So let's jump straight into it. You have a login page. It's nice that they include the mobile version as well. Not sure why they put this into components. That's weird. Looks decent on mobile. Not a super big fan of the typography. Also, I don't get why you even included this on mobile. I get it here. You need to fill the space, but yeah, weird. For the landing page, kind of the same weird issues. Like, why did you put this into? They're like features, and you have multiple options. That's just weird. And it's just annoying because I have to pull them out just to be able to check them on freaking mobile. It has a good balance. Clearly they put in some work for this. Let's, again, for a medical page, like the style is a bit interesting, but once you actually try to use it, I think it's gonna matter more. This is only obviously marketing stuff. Decent, proportioned. The branding and the choices are a bit weird, at least for me. But again, not bad implementation. The fonts on mobile are a bit big. That would be my feedback. Otherwise, it's plain, clean. It's a good starting point, I think. Just the way the file is organized, it's a bit annoying, but easily fixable. Like, you can adjust it in a couple of minutes. Let me drag this so I can load it on mobile just to double check. Yeah, it's not bad. The fonts are a bit big, but might be a stylistic choice, so nothing really to complain there. Yeah, if you want to build like a custom brand, this is a decent starting point. At the same time, it may be too simple. If you are lazy and don't want to recreate components, yeah, you can use this one as a starting point.